How to fix Lazada cannot place order error. If you want to solve if Lazada says cannot place order, this could be happening due to various reasons. The first is your payment problems. So your card's details may be incorrect and your account may have insufficient funds, or there could be temporary issue with your bank or your payment method. For that, you can simply go to your account tab, scroll down to wallets tab and check if your payment details are just fine. Second could be a voucher issue. So maybe you're trying to apply a voucher which might be invalid, expired, or you may not meet the terms to apply the voucher. It could also be account security because Lazada's system may have flagged your account for unusual activity. During major sales, high traffic can also cause temporary glitches, and your app might also sometimes need an update. So go to your App Store or your Play Store, and of course, we want to simply search for Lazada. And when we've done that, check if it is updated to the latest version. Lastly, you can try a different payment method, remove any vouchers, update your app, and simply wait a bit and try again. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.